Hello, everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create our LinkedIn headline generator template from scratch. This is a powerful tool, and if you want to see it in action, there's a demo video linked in the description below. Head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. First, we'll add the prompt component. This is where you'll define the instructions for the generator. The prompt is designed to create a personalized LinkedIn headline based on the user's input, considering factors like industry, skills, career goals, and target audience. A sample prompt is provided in the description for you to copy and modify as needed. Then, connect the prompt component to a text generator. This enables the flow to generate a catchy and professional LinkedIn headline that aligns with the user's personal brand and career aspirations. Finally, link the generator to the output. That's it. We've successfully built the LinkedIn headline generator template. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.